Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and in today's video we are going to learn some new words that you should know. So continue watching this video without skipping. Let's start our today's lesson. This is Komal and you are watching my polyglot journey.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the...
Our first word is cherish. It means to love someone or something very much and want to protect them. For example, the children need to be cherished. The children need to be cherished. Okay, let's see the next one. Candid. Saying something openly and honestly. For example, the minister gave us a candid interview about his reasons of resigning. Okay, let's see the next one. Bountiful. Something which is in a large quantity. For example, the ocean provides us a bountiful supply of fresh food. Okay, let's see the next one. Blissful. It means very happy. We spent a blissful week away from our work. We spent a blissful week away from our work. Okay, let's see the next one. Factual. It means based on facts or containing facts. For example, the essay was full of factual errors. The essay was full of factual errors. Okay, let's see the next one. Fragile, something which is very soft, you can say, which can be destroyed, broken very easily. For example, be careful by holding it. It's very fragile. Our last word but not the least is astonished. It means to surprise someone very much. For example, the news astonished everyone. The news astonished everyone, which means that the news was very surprising for everyone. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comment box given below that how was my today's video, you like it or not. And also write down in the comment box given below that on what topic you want my next video. Subscribe to my channel if you are new and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the new video. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.